So at least the whole video is long, yeah?
Look at this.
Final reveal chapati, ndengu split, and ndengu yellow. Yeah, this is leftover of yesterday. And our meal is complete. That part, no.
That part. We thought our cups ahead, man.
The video.
And was I fucked up my DL, seen a DL, so normally. Yeah, imagine that's how tough today is for you guys. Faster in this our generation than previously. Actually, their maturity level is going down with the years. Like the younger they are now, the mature they are becoming.
No, women, I believe, are okay. How women are built we might be at the same age, but a woman will have more These are what are these? These are lentils, broken lentils. We're cold cooking today. Help me put this up, please. Cold cooking.
This is charcoal. This is charcoal. You have to fan it like this.
Charcoal, it's drizzling. Can you guys see the drops? Can you see that family? It's heating up. Oh, it's burning up. That's called a potato. It's any top of any tin.
Anything that can blow air, even your mouth.
Yeah. We'll give you guys a meditation talk probably before or after this video.
And the rain.
Is it raining so heavy? I think it's just drizzles.
And that drizzle just killed the chicken.
I don't think so, but we can put it there. That's it. That's too far.
Apple, yeah.
What do you think of the fire? Packing it back. Moong dal split. Green gram split. These are ready. Voila. Vite with sound oil. This is atta makwan. This is atta for roti, flour for roti. I don't know the measurements. You just pour for your eyes. How many people you want to make for, or how much you want to eat. That's good for us. And you seal it back and seal the oil like this. Yes, like that, and close it.
So Ajab, how long has Ajab been in the business?
I'm not even sure how long.
So you check. Show us how long Ajab has been in the business, so that they know what Ajab is doing exactly. I'm sure it's written simply.
Get more of everything. More chapatis, more roti, more bread. More chapatis, more bread, more roti. Since no, it's not written.
It's not written since when?
Yeah.
Maybe they've not been long enough.
Yeah.
And that is why we use this brand. It was
Voted
voted.
super brands.
We don't know if it's the truth. Maybe
Yeah,
they're
it's
lying
the
to us.
truth. It's the truth. 2022 to 2024.
They'll be the best.
Yeah.
And it's a product of Kenya. Proud to be a what?
Kenyan. We had a bit more joyous story.
Na yunga ni kala white na brown kama oni.
Yeah.
Hii ni white na ni brown.
Actually, what we did.
Unaona? Hebu waambie ni kizungu.
Yeah, this is a mixture of white
Show them
flour
here.
and brown flour.
Do
It's
it
roti
clear.
flour. Roti is a little bit of a mixture. It's not completely
So
brown.
yesterday AANIQA made me chapati. Today I've made them make me chapati again.
Yeah. What was it? Salt.
Salt.
Yes.
You come up with the salt. Say the way Nani says.
Mm.
Your tipsy button.
Then you come behind with some mixing. Then you come behind with a dash of oil. And you mix
So what's the amount of oil? And what again are we making here just in case someone is watching?
Chapati. Reboil it.
Chapati.
Yeah.
Not roti.
No. Paratha.
Roti is oilless. So that's why we have oil for this.
Yeah. This is paratha oil. Roti, once you put oil in this process, then you don't add more oil. In paratha, you add oil like 3 processes.
Anyone who might be watching this video on before it gets to Monday midnight East African time, we will be having our weekly Monday meetings for the channel and how to help the channel grow. People come up with ideas on how we can help the channel grow. So tomorrow probably Kenyan East African time,
East African time?
midnight.
Yeah.
So catch us tomorrow East African time. On Monday every single Monday we are live.
12
Yeah,
a.m.
12 a.m. I'm sure you have ideas you'd love maybe to tell us. You guys, checky, record like this, do like this. We'd love to hear. So let's meet on the live tomorrow.
Yeah. And our food diaries are all about food.
So by the way, guys, what would you suggest? We've seen a few of you guys suggesting we open a different food channel. Cindy, what do you guys suggest, by
We
the way?
actually were intending to open a new channel. Will you guys support us there?
Will you guys support us there in our new food channel? Will you come and subscribe and let's get it to 17?
Yeah.
Eh? That is called feasting, huh?
Feasting achapo.
You need to. Oh, it's called knitting or
Kneading dough.
kneading.
Yeah.
And knitting ni kushona.
Knitting, yes, kushona, kunit.
Na kitu ikuwa how how do you spell knit and knitting?
Kneading is with D, knitting is with T.
Not need. Knit. This place is very neat. Eh?
N-E-A-T.
N-E.
A-T.
And how do you spell that other knit ya kushona?
K-N-I-T.
And how do you spell night?
K-N-I-G-H-T.
The English with their nights.
Just added last oil to just keep it moist till we roll them.
Do you think we'd be knights if we were during that era? The queen would have put her, what is that called? That sword. What is it called to knight someone?
Anoint.
Not anoint. Guys, what do you call when the queen anoints someone, like she puts that sword on her shoulders, like on he or her shoulders, and say, now wake up, you are Sir AANIQA or Sir Ian, Knight of Her Majesty. What is it called?
I've forgotten.
Guys, can you let us know in the comment section? Tunaweza karanga na kuunda chapo.
Chapo hapa tukikaranga.
So in Kenya we call this a jiko. It's oiled. And in Kiswahili tunaita hiyo kuchemka. Unasema imechemka, imetokota. This is some of them they poured here. So a jiko, it's made out of clay. This part of it, it's clay, and this is some sort of mabati, metal. What is mabati? Iron sheet.
Iron sheet.
Yeah, it's an iron sheet.
Let me see if it's ready with the coffee.
So that's how you check when it's ready. Is it?
Yeah, it's good. Hey! Yes, okay. The cut for them is the fire. How about we move it closer to the table?
You can move closer. So,
Right along.
hey.
Let's dance along.
Hey. So, why are you draining it?
I don't want the water.
Isn't that soup?
No. It's soup, yeah, but you know it's supermarket and I have not washed it, so let's start. So we start cooking.
So what is this? Onion?
This is onion frying for our green split drums.
So how long should the onions fry?
Till they're brown.
Till they're brown.
Golden brown, not dark brown.
Yeah. This, what type of onions are these you cut?
Here we just call them onions, but
What, so what you were saying these are?
red onions, I think. Red onions.
Oh.
But here they're normal onions.
In Kiswahili tunaziita kitunguu. Kitunguu. Kitunguu.
Yeah.
Kitunguu. TUNGU.
Yes.
Inaitwa kitunguu kwa Kiswahili.
So these are the spices. I'm putting them in the tomatoes. I just want to show you guys before I put them.
You're putting them in the
Tomatoes here on my side.
Okay.
This is cumin.
Yeah. This is
Paprika.
paprika. You said it's not a spice, it's a color.
No, it's a spice. It's not all spices are chili. It's just hoho. It's roasted capsicums.
The red ones only.
Yeah, red peppers. Yeah.
Roycom choosing mix.
That is the next one.
Check.
Royco, I'll put 2 cubes.
In
Look how Royco looks.
Hizo Roycom choosing mix. Ini beef flavored.
Choosing mix ni powder hiyo ingine. This is bouillon cubes of Royco.
Bouillon cubes.
Yeah, and then this is what is frying currently. Nyanya na kitunguu, onion and tomatoes.
Let me show you where those onions and tomatoes are bouillon cubes. There you go. Nice. So how many of you do this before you start cooking? You put your spices in your nyanya. Do you think this is safe to say that it's the best way to pima, or what is pimaing in English?
Measure.
Is this the safest way to measure?
Measure your spices. I think I've learned from my mom to put like this. This is what I need to see it stop for what.
Someone's sufuria here is
On the side?
yeah.
Don't worry.
Wait for the wet product.
That is dengue. Don't worry.
This
pot products are the best products.
so hii itakuwa tu flavor. It's all flavor.
All flavor.
Been hit by with brown. So it's ready now?
Yeah, this is that golden brown. That's what we want to do. Yesterday we overdid it, but this is the perfect color.
It looks really beautiful
And
today.
when it's there, you put in the tomatoes.
Time for the tomatoes and the spices.
Yeah.
So kwa Kiswahili hiyo inaitwa nyanya.
Nyanya na masala. When you don't over brown the kitungu, the onions, they give a.
When you brown them,
When you brown the onions nicely, you don't burn them. They give a really nice smell.
and the color, is it because of the onions as well?
Yeah, if you over brown, then it will become darker. If you brown them nicely like this, then it will remain red.
What color is this?
More red.
Red.
Yeah.
Have you put any tomato paste here?
No, paprika brings red, and these tomatoes are really juicy red.
So sometimes you don't need. Thank you for helping me with that.
So I'm putting the bouillon cubes now.
Bouillon cube.
Number 1.
Can you hear me trying to blow the steam away?
Number 2.
Perfect. So one thing that we normally hear a lot is that when you sleep with coal in the same room, you might die.
Carbon monoxide.
You might die due to carbon monoxide. Is that true, guys?
Yes.
If you sleep with this inside the house, will you be able to die? They say that it sucks out all the oxygen.
Yeah.
We're getting there. You've been hit by, you've been struck by small criminal. Hey, some juices, some juices are pouring from there. Sorry for that. Some juices are pouring from this.
They're pouring inside the. Maybe we'll show it when it's almost ready.
Look at that. Where is it? There. Don't mess the phone. Yeah, the phone is heating up so much. It's saying,
Yeah. Let's
look
put
at
it
that.
to boil now.
Oh,
You'll
it
see.
looks really, really nice though.
You'll see the finished
Yeah,
product.
put it on the nini. Yeah, so we'll leave it to boil, guys, for a while the phone cools down. Okay.
Yes.
We'll come back in a minute. Hey, so guys, man, we were just seeing some news right now. It's crazy that that a cult in Kenya has killed so many people in starvation. It's crazy.
Actually, they killed themselves by
They
fasting.
killed themselves by fasting.
Yeah, that was
It's
a
so
proper
crazy.
cult. Anyway, we're moving this. This is ready.
Yeah.
We're just going to put it here on the side.
So imagine, I never knew things like that happen in Kenya.
Man,
A
cult.
whole cult. Imagine how many people they've said they found 59.
So far on Sunday they found, so
18
there it is today,
today.
they found 18 people in 7 graves.
Imagine 18 people.
Can you imagine that family, man?
Yeah, I think even this story has given us a title maybe for our
Yeah,
video.
man. Cult in Kenya?
Cult in Kenya.
Oh my God. We need
Crazy,
to run
yeah.
away.
Cult in Kenya massacre.
Man,
Sindio?
can you imagine how they died first of all by
It's
starving
crazy in
themselves?
Malindi, in the
Crazy.
forest.
Crazy.
The last massacre that we had was what was his name? That guy in America.
John, no, is it?
No, what was his name? The last was it not in Kenya though?
Yeah, I know, no, it was in America.
Johnson.
Yeah, Johnson.
The Johnson massacre. It's
Yeah.
something like that, guys.
These are the leftover chapatis
From yesterday.
We're just going to top off some because Ian forced me to make some.
Forced you?
Yeah, you forced me by force. I was going to make for Ian rice. That's the truth.
A man can never eat rice. A man will eat only things like this that have to do with flour. So
Rice flour, then you can eat it.
I'm teaching you how to be an African. If maybe you're watching and you want to be a, what are they called, Africans? Like macho.
man.
You want to be a macho man. Don't ever eat rice.
Don't call African man macho man.
Lion.
No, just say African man.
African man. This will kill you. Don't ever sleep with this in the house. Massacre. Oh, so we're talking about that massacre.
Yeah.
Crazy.
In Kenya.
In Kenya, it's when they just realized. Actually, the government just
They just released the information
they
now.
literally
but
just
knew it.
we were among the first people to see it. It's 1 hour ago.
Yeah, man, imagine.
So crazy, eh?
Yeah, so don't mind studio issues. I'm just rolling here where I'm chilling.
So what do you guys think about that? A whole church, 59 people so far have been found.
The Good News
and they're
Church.
still it's called the Good News Church.
It seems, I've seen Good News Bible.
Yeah, I've seen even in school we were being told to
Yeah.
get a Good News Bible so much.
Yeah.
Hey, crazy, eh? Guys, kindly let us know in the comment section what you think about that. Go check it out in Malindi, Kenyan Massacre Church Cult Massacre. Check that out, yeah. Probably, I don't know if we'll be allowed to use that as our title in our video, but we'll just use it.
Yeah, maybe we'll do C***A LT.
No, it's okay to write it. It's okay to write cult and massacre and all that.
Hey.
Ama?
Yeah,
I don't know.
I
You
know.
guys let us know in the comment section among the first people will be watching if it's okay. We can change the title.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, that's really crazy, eh?
Yeah.
59 people
In Kenya, man.
in Kenya.
Why is American influence getting so strong?
Crazy. Imagine these people, in fact, they were killing themselves, guys. Hey, crazy, eh? Those people actually killed themselves.
Yeah, they did it by fasting like
Yeah,
monks.
they fasting, yeah, like monks.
They're saying that they refuse to eat food. That is how you can know it's a cult. Like they
If
were-
you go and check the video, you'll see a woman who's so skinny.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's refused to eat. The doctors go like when they try to. Yeah, so it's crazy. Eh?
Yeah.
They were saying the doctors tried giving them water, they refused even.
Yeah, they tried doing first aid, but man, they're asking now for help from other places to be able to handle this situation. Man.
Yeah, they go like they need help now from anyone. Guys, if you're watching this, come out and help these people. They're dying. They're killing themselves, man.
Man, I don't know how we can even help them.
It's crazy. They're actually starving themselves. Can you imagine that? One of the best things AANIQA is telling me that this charcoal makes the best chapo. Is that true?
Yeah, chapati needs a bit of high heat, not so low heat.
Oh, so cooking it, it's like a tandoor. This.
Yeah, it goes one time. It gives you the heat you want. It's flour. So long as you roll it thin, it evers quickly. It cooks quickly.
So, like, then why? How many do you think like people like in UK they have coal?
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they burn.
They
barbecue.
do you think they're allowed to cook like this with coal in the house?
No. Even here in Kenya, in towns you're not allowed to cook in apartments with coal.
No. In Kenya you're allowed.
No, in apartments here.
Yeah.
In apartments you're not allowed. When you go to a proper genuine apartment, you're given a list that says you're not allowed to cook with charcoal inside your home or in your balcony.
Really?
Yeah, you can cook
Eish.
downstairs. There's an apartment place I saw that you can't even cook meat.
Hey.
Meat like where
It's a
it
halal
smell.
apartment.
No, it's a Indian apartment.
Oh.
So you can't even cook meat there that it smells for them.
Crazy. So also we just saw one of the things that. So we are about to enjoy this food like on another level. By the way, hey, just imagine love, man. Just less than how many months ago?
4?
4.
Yeah, 4 now. April is 4
How
months.
how has YouTube changed our life so much right now?
Literally, it's feeding us, as you were saying.
Guys, like this food.
It's a courtesy of YouTube,
Courtesy,
literally,
yeah,
directly.
it's crazy, eh?
Yeah. And as
So
we say
YouTube,
that,
YouTube really does. If any youth is outside there, I don't know. What do you think, baby?
Man, it's just work like any other work you dedicate yourself
Yeah.
to. You work before you wait for your payment. You just don't come in and say, I want to be paid. For us, we've had to be very patient. So if you have the patience for your own life's sake, then you will work
I think
out.
one thing that YouTube requires is patience, guys.
Yeah.
If you're about to start a YouTube channel, don't think. Let me tell you guys, one of the hardest thing for us is to get these 1,000 subscribers and the watch hours.
Yeah.
It's been really tough.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
But here we are today. Look, this is YouTube. You're seeing this food cooking. This is still YouTube. We were going to do this anyway.
The good thing with YouTube is, it's what you're doing, so you love. Even if you have to work excessively hard and it's something you love, then well, that makes it easy, I believe, yeah? Makes it fun at least.
Yeah.
So when you're putting oil and you rotate your spoon like this around, just make sure everywhere is a little bit touched to the heat so that it all cooks evenly. This heat distributes around everywhere. Let me tell you to have a look.
So,
You see?
So guys, if you're enjoying the video, kindly like it, man.
Yeah, do
As
a
we've
like,
told you,
man.
YouTube is what is doing everything for us. So you liking is you actually doing so much for
That is
us.
supporting us.
Yeah.
Watch it, family. Turn on your notifications and kindly support our new food channel too.
Yeah.
We will share for you the link on this video, yeah?
Yeah. It's a bit dark. I don't know why it's a bit dark.
The video. Oh yeah, it's a bit, I think the flash is not as strong because of the heating.
Really?
Yeah.
Family are flocking there.
Our chapo is getting ready.
How many are remaining?
I'm not counted.
They say don't count food. So this story that we're telling you guys about this cult massacre, they are saying that the family never it's just a new church that this guy started, and he was trying to recruit people to follow his church.
Yeah.
And one of the ways, I think, to follow the church, you're supposed to fast. Yeah.
Till you die?
Yeah, till you die.
Then how do you follow the church after dying? Mama, that's an after death church.
I think you start praying once you're dead. It's crazy. So as the title says, guys, man, we're not sure if that has happened over dinner.
Yeah, literally it's food. So over dinner, man, people have died over dinner. Don't worry, the moshi just means nice things are cooking.
Quick, fast, minus slow. And look at that stand there. That one, guys, you've seen it, I hope. AANIQA, thank you for cooking for us this meal. It's not focusing. I want you guys to see that beauty. You should have taken the one I was focusing on. What would you say it's one of the most difficult things that we've had to go through in our relationship? Accepting that they will never accept.
Breaking out of that, them never accepting. Breaking out of the norm. What is normal?
So like it's been like just understanding that let's live our life and stop. We are wanting people to accept.
Why do we need them to accept? We're the ones who need to accept our life, right? They don't need to accept anything.
So one of
the ones who don't accept, then bye bye, see you later. Our bus is moving, so even if we
they
want
have
them,
no idea. I swear, they have no idea. Our love is so strong that we ourselves don't have an option.
Yeah, it's so strong. You know something that's strong, that comes strong. Someone told me something beautiful today, that whatever is beautiful it can never come easy. And our love is beautiful. It's really unique. It's really extraordinary. So you can imagine the difficulty it comes with.
What makes our love unique and extraordinary?
Everything, yeah. Us, how we think, what we want for our life, what we have made our life, and where we have come from. Everything about us is extraordinary and unique.
So the love is very unique.
Our love is very unique. It's very strong. It's very mighty. You know, it's by Sajah. It's Sajah's hand himself in our love.
Would you say that you have a choice to this?
To everything.
Like most people think that sometimes they have a choice to who they love. Do you think that?
You have a choice to who you
love.
Yourself? No. You have a choice to who you love.
Do you have a choice to the person you love?
You may just know God created me for you.
That's actually a crazy question. Guys, let us know. Do you have the option to choose who you fall in love with, or you fall in love? Then now is when you realize that was the best option.
Mine for me was not falling in love with you. Mine was straight up God created me for you. I know I came into this world. Have you watched that Boss Baby?
Which one?
Someone, the bird comes into the world with a purpose. I came into the world with a purpose.
Which one is Boss Baby?
Boss Baby is the one with the stocks, the one that the babies are bosses. They have a whole fraternity.
I know you're Boss Baby. So what about the Boss Baby story?
Like I feel like for me, like how the bird has been created to come and take a baby.
Yeah.
For me, I was created for you, yeah.
Oh.
I was not created without a purpose that now I come to. Yeah, I was not created without a purpose that I can go now and figure out, now I go like headless around the world. I was created for you. So you're my purpose, Ian.
AANIQA used to tell me so many times, Ian, you're my purpose. Ian, you're my purpose. Now I understand. Okay.
Yeah, that's a thread. Don't worry.
And what do you think my purpose should be then? You?
No, your purpose is bigger. Your purpose was everything you do in the world. That was your purpose. There's things that you came with. There's things like leadership for the young. That's your purpose. My purpose is you. Yeah, that one is getting nice and heated.
So what would you say is the biggest? You know, I always ask you this because you're very unique in the way you think. In the women that I see right now, AANIQA, it's very hard to find a woman who actually knows herself, you know. So I always keep on asking you, what would you advise these young girls outside here?
For me, I don't feel like I'm anything that I can give someone else advice. You know, like I've made it in that way. All I will say is one strength that I know I have is strength of the truth. You see, as much as whatever else, I may not be physically, mentally, emotionally strong, but the strength of the truth, that one I have, and that is the biggest strength I believe can exist in the world, you know.
Man, AANIQA, you need a new pan.
No, my pan is good.
It's a walk.
It's a walk.
It's walk.
You know, it's taken me time to make this pan this comfortable with me.
Yeah, for it to even use on the gas.
Yeah.
On the Jiko.
Yeah. It was in this color when it came black.
Yeah, it was all of it that color.
Yeah, don't worry, my pan does a nice job. Don't feel like it's doing a bad job.
Yeah.
Let me roll this up a little bit.
A little bit.
Let's roll it quickly before our chapo gets ready. We remove it out.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
And go off.
It's ready.
Yeah, see.
Oh.
Over there on the side.
Oh, delicious, AANIQA. Delicious, delicious, delicious.
Family. This other one is leftover of yesterday.
Delicious. I want this fresh one here.
Let's put a few chapatis here.
Chapatis. They're called
And you're
chapatis.
welcome, family.
Chapatis.